current temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and the fan is operating at 25% speed. Now the blue light is glowing. This indicates that temperature has fallen below minimum temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius. And fan has stopped working. Covering the temperature sensor causes the temperature to rise, and the green LED illuminates, indicating that it's above 40 degrees Celsius. When the sensor is uncovered, the temperature returns to room temperature, and the fan starts rotating based on it.